guys. The big one.
Watch your fingers, I might still touch you.
Did you put it closer, honey? There. Oh, he likes that. Should we get one for the other one person, the other pig too?
Yeah.
Oh wait, he went somewhere. Okay, here. Here. Give one to the other one who doesn't have one. Yeah. That one has it. Oh, just give it this one there. Okay, let's give one more so they both have one. Here. Here. See, he took it from him. He's not very nice. Yeah. Want to give him another one?
No, let's give it to one.